What's up, guys? Exciting day in the Bollman office out in Colorado. I've been working on something for quite some time, and was going to share it with you before we drop it to the world. So always a timepiece guy. I think it's a critical thing. Analog watch, self-winding mechanical. What is the perfect one? I'm very partial. I like the IWC. I think they'd make the best pilot watch out there. And for us, as you know, everything is about better with age, creating patinas, creating a story. So we're super stoked. I'm going to give you a first look here. Here she is. Super sick. Letter pressed box. Try to take it out of this box. Can I do that? Let's see. Oh yeah. Little unboxing. Comes with a sweet little leather travel case. And there's Arthur right on the face. And then within it, it's got Ball and Buck on the side. It's having a trouble. There it is. Very subtle. And this is mine, so I've been wearing this prototype version, which is numbered. You can see this one's number 5 of 25 total. Will come with 2 straps and extra, so this leather one and a green NATO strap as well. And you can wind it up, and then it's auto winding. Got a 120-hour power reserve, which is wild, but just super classic, simple, very Ball and Buck in all ways, shapes, and forms. So grab yours. No more than 25 will be made for the world. Titanium case back so it doesn't patina, and then this is that bronze. So you can see how dark it is already, and it gets that character, which is, I love it. It's awesome. Check it out. See ya.